Hello, guys. Welcome to a new, fresh episode of Crypto Milad. And today it's 3 March, the begin of a new month, the begin of hopefully a green month because the month February normally it's a very green month, but this month it was like a horror month for the cryptocurrency. It was a sad month and it was, I think, one of the most red months in the history of crypto of a February, of all the February. So that was not so good. But like you guys saw yesterday, we had some relief rally. We had a big green candle in the Bitcoin price, what resulted in many altcoins and meme coins what could recover. And we had an average of 10, 20, 30, 40% up for all the meme coins. So that was a good day, and hopefully we can continue that today with another green candle, because in a couple hours the stock market will open and that maybe will result to another green candle, so we will wait for that. Beside that, today it's a very special episode, guys, because we had some kind of a match, or like a tweet. What I did, the tweet was about which of the two communities, Lynk or Hoppy, will post the most comments, and the winner, I will make an extra special episode about it. And I'm gonna look inside the big wallets, in the top wallets, to see if there is any change inside Hoppy. And I also gonna check the chart, a deep look to the chart, and see where the price of Hoppy can go, and if we already reached the bottom. Because, guys, I think we are very near the bottom for Hoppy. And beside that, guys, after Hoppy, we're gonna discuss the Bitcoin price, the Bitcoin dominance, what is quite important for what will happen for the altcoins, and if we wanna get a alt season, a meme season in the near future, maybe in March, maybe in April, but it depends all what the Bitcoin dominance chart will show us. Also, we're gonna discuss a couple other meme coins. We're gonna take a fast look to Lynk. We're gonna take a fast look to Landwolf, and maybe another meme coin. Let's see which one we're gonna choose in the end of the episode. So, guys, let's start today with the Hoppy chart. So I'm gonna show you guys in my X account. I'm gonna show you guys the tweet what I made. By the way, this is my X account for the guys that only follow me in YouTube. You can also follow me in X. I'm a little bit faster in tweeting here, and if I have some news, if I have something fast to announce, it's mostly in X. So stay attuned, because a lot of fire is coming, guys. So this was actually the tweet, guys, what I made. Hoppy and Lynk, two little but super strong communities. What I like from Lynk and Hoppy, both they have some kind of front line. The frontline army. The frontline army, it's the army that's on the front line. They post the most, they are the most active, and they try to really give their life for the community, for the project, and they go inside the fire for it. And of course, Lynk have a group of 100 of this frontline runners army, let's say, and Hoppy have also that. So we had a lot of comments, guys. We had in total like around 55, 60 comments. For example, in Hoppy, meme coin lady, it's one of the frontline armies that do a lot for the community. And in Lynk, we have also like, for example, Lord and Willie, and these are guys, they are in the front line, they are active inside the community. For example, like not but of course, hope you have also this kind of characters, this kind of people. They are inside, very close inside the inside this community. For example, Lady M. This also a strong member of Hoppy, what gives their life, and we have like a lot of them, like 100x Bob. It's one of the Hoppy community members what do a lot for Lynk. We have a like Mintlow, he's always active for me for Lynk, and these are the guys you need in any community, guys, because these are the people they are on the front line. They are trying to do their best in the social media, to give everything what they have and try the keep the fire on for the community, even in bad days, even when the chart is going down. They try to give everything. So we had a lot of nice comments from both communities. But guys, honestly, it was very near, but Hoppy did win with one or two comments difference. So they had more comments than the Link community in my post. So that's why this video we're gonna go a deep dive inside this beautiful Hoppy community, what already exists for almost, I think, like now a year. So yeah, it's a good sign. And the only thing, guys, I want to show in the Hoppy charts that there is some positive things coming. Before I take a little sip of my coffee, guys, sorry. Always good to watch the chart with a nice fresh of coffee, guys, on the Monday morning. So, guys, the Hoppy chart, what it shows me, that we had one big bounce in the begin. We had a pullback. Then we had the second big bounce, what broke the previous all-time high, and we went quite high. We were at a serious market cap at that moment of time, guys. Just at that moment, I got a weekly MRI sell at this moment of time, and normally that result to some dip, and the dip it's now during from the moment of the top, let's say from here, it's now 18 weeks, guys. 18 weeks we are dipping with Hoppy. So the Hoppy community had a lot of patience and they stayed very positive in this time of going down for so much. And let's see for how many percentage it was from the real bottom to the real top. That was okay, that was like a 1500% dip, guys. A 1500% dip. What we are now at the price are 26, even we dipped to 20. So I don't count the four zeros, but even we dipped at 20. And guys, this is that where we almost reaching the bottom of the bottom. I think this is a moment, if you believe in the project, what I personally do in Hoppy, it's a moment to buy in at least DCA in Hoppy. This is not financial advice, guys. Nothing in this channel is financial advice. Just I sharing my 11-year experience in reading charts and in being very near a lot of communities inside the crypto. And how I see that the Hopi community, it's a very strong community. And this it's just a time, it just take time that it's gonna pump. I don't think that Hopi it's that what a lot of people are announcing inside the social media, in the social media. I don't agree with them. I think Hopi it's almost at the bottom of the bottom, and I think that Hopi it's ready for a big move up. And the big move up, guys, it can go very high. Like the next support what we have, actually, if we start to go, it's at 25. That's already literally a 10 times the price from now, from the moment that we are now. So what I want to show, guys, that we are this week on an MRI weekly warning candle. That means that it shows me that we are almost at the bottom in the weekly chart, and a weekly chart, it's a really strong indication when you get this signal of the warning candle. A warning candle, it means that we are very near the bottom, or one candle away, one weekly candle away from the bottom. So that's why I think that this week or the next week, so in within 14 days, guys, within 14 days, I think that the Hopi chart will pump from here. And of course, it also depends a little bit what the Bitcoin price will do. But if the Bitcoin price doesn't crash to low 70s, I think the Hopi chart in the upcoming 2 weeks will find this finally bottom after 18 weeks, and I think we're gonna start a bull rally a rally up, a heavy, massive rally up with a lot of buy pressure and with very, very low pullbacks, what we had in the past 18 weeks. So guys, this is my most bullish indication. Beside that, I read the chart. What's also the candle formation is also giving a time. You can see the candles get more little and more little in size. That means that the sell pressure, it gets lower and lower and lower. And when you see a formation like this, it just shows me that it's really a good time to buy in Hoppy at this moment of time. I think we can very soon, in a time frame of 2 weeks. So it can happen this week, it can happen next week, but within 2 weeks, I expect a green candle and what will follow with many green candles on the weekly chart. So in the long term. And that's it, guys. In the daily charts, we are also, I think we are really forming a bottom. I don't see I like the worst situation, the worst case, what I see in Hopi, it's that it breaks at 1-0. I don't see the price going at 1-0. If the price comes at 1-0, I expect a massive buy. I expect a big wick, what will direct pump the price to 2 or to 20, 30, 40. And if we break this point, guys, this is the next support if we're gonna go up. The 66. The 66 at this point, it's a quite strong resident. If we break this, guys, the sky's the limit for Hoppy. And at the 4-day charts, it also shows me something that the for the first time since long time we had 1 day 4-hour candle above the 50 EMA. What result in strength? What we should do now is hold the 20 EMA at the 4-hour and try to push the price higher and break this point of 3-0. If we can do that, guys, I think the bottom is reached in Hoppy, and I think we will see a massive move to the upside, what can result in 10, 20, 30 times from the price of today in the near future. So in the upcoming months, what I'm talking about. So let's see how that play out, guys. The other good news for Hoppy, guys, it's that the top wallets, guys, what I took a look from the past, I think the last time that I checked this and made a screenshot, it was 1.5, 2 months ago. And guys, the top wallets, the top 15, the top 20 wallets, it didn't sold. That means that the people in the top, in the console, in the top holders, they still believe in the coin. They still are massively inside the coin with big wallets. A couple of these wallets, they even bite more in these dips. So guys, that shows me that there is a massive strength in the bottom, in the top holders of Hoppy. I think this also shows in the weekly chart that you see lower sell pressure in generally, and that we are coming very, very near a bottom. So guys, after 18 weeks rain and cloudy in the Hopi charts, I expect that the clouds almost are going and we're gonna have a big bounce and a sunny upcoming ones for Hopi. So guys, I hope it serves you this information, and let's make the best, and a big respect for the Hopi community. I have a lot love for this Hopi community, because I see the people inside this community really going for it, and they go really inside the fire for it, and that's a positive part in the cryptocurrency, that this kind of communities exist, like the Hopi community, like the SPX Net 6900 community, like the Lynk community, what's of course just existed not so long, like this kind of communities what I'm mentioning. But the roots are healthy, the roots of the community are healthy, it is positive, and that's what I like to be a part of in communities. Something healthy, something transparent, and something that people really believe in. So I think that's something to keep in mind. So, guys, this was the episode of Hoppy, and I gonna announce more things about Hoppy if there is some update. So, good enough about Hoppy. Let's go now to the Bitcoin chart because, guys, the Bitcoin chart is quite important at this moment of time. Let's go to the weekly chart. Let's start with the weekly chart, guys. The weekly chart, it shows me that we had a very beautiful candle close yesterday at what we the it was a 78k, the bottom 78k 400, and we pushed this wick up. We pushed this wick up until this point at 94 400. So it's a red candle, but it's a bullish red candle, guys. It's a candle that you really want to see in some kind of bottom. I don't say that it's 100% guarantee that this was the bottom, but normally, guys, a weekly bottom, it really can look like this. Now it's all dependent on the next candle. So this green candle, if we can close above 96 500, if we can have a close at that price or higher, I think the March and April will be very, very excited and green months. But if we cannot reach that, if this weekly candle in the next Sunday on Monday, because we have 6 days and 11 hours to go, guys, if this results in a red candle, then I think we can expect some more movements down. And if we come to retest this point of 78k, guys, I expect um, a drop to 71 500. I think we have a very, very strong support at 71 500 for the Bitcoin price. So it's very excited this upcoming week. In a couple hours, the stock market will also open. The most markets will open, and then, guys, we can also see what's gonna happen with the price of Bitcoin. So let's go to the 4-day charts. The 4-day chart, it looks that we're gonna have some recovery. We are almost at MRI 8 warning candle, so that's a good sign. Normally, that's also a sign to almost a bottom or near a bottom, so that's a double confirmation. Let's see if this candle, it's for me very important that we can close above 96 500 with a close body. That makes the probability a lot bigger that we're gonna have higher, move it higher. So what you can see on the daily chart, guys, at the daily chart, you can see that we were rejected at the 50 EMA. Exactly at the 50 EMA, we were yesterday rejected. And what I want to see in this daily candle, guys, what will be very important, that we're gonna move it up at around, let's say, 90, 95, or let's say even 96k. If we can close today, the today candle, in 10 hours, let's say 11 hours, if we can close this candle above 96k, guys, it makes me very bullish, because that means that we're gonna that the probability is very big that we're gonna test this resistance line at 103k almost. If we can have a one daily close candle above 103k, I give it the 80%, 85% probability that we're gonna break the all-time high from Bitcoin at around 109, 110k, guys. So these are 2 points to look at, that we can close above 96k, then that we can have one close above 103k. And if we can do these two things, it will result to a return, a sentiment what will be very bullish, a return to get power. The bulls get again power inside the market, and I think that the alts and the memes, they will follow very, very soon after that, guys. So let's see if that can happen. So it's a very excited week, guys, in the Bitcoin charts. Let's keep a near close eye to that, and let's see what's gonna happen, guys. What we gonna do now, guys? Let's go to the link chart. I wanna discuss the link charts also. The link chart, guys. The weekly chart was yesterday closed at a very bullish price. What we need to have is this weekly close. It need to be from this point. It need to be a wick, and we need to close above the 1 cent, 1.1 cent. How higher we close above the 1 cent in this week, how more bullish the chart looks for Link. A close under 1 cent, it means we can. It doesn't look good. If we close under the 1 cent in this weekly candle, it doesn't shows very much strength inside the chart. But if we can close above, let's say, 1.2 cents, that means that the chart, the weekly chart, it looks quite bullish, and actually that we reached the bottom, and that we're gonna see massive price movements up, what can result in 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, and even maybe that we're gonna break the all-time high at 7 cents, guys. If we can break the all-time high at 7 cents in the upcoming month or next month, that will attract a lot of attention in Link, and I think that will result in a big pump, maybe to the 10 cents or 15 cents even. And so let's hope that that happens for the Link chart. Let's go to the daily chart. In the daily chart, guys, it shows me that we had here a MRI buy in my way of trading. In this candle of Friday, MRI buy until now, it resulted to 4 green candles up. What we need to see today, that this candle stays green, and we're gonna move the price off. If this candle of the day, it becomes some kind of a wick, and we can end it as a green candle, it really looks strong for Link. It's really increased the probability that this was the bottom at around 63. And I think that's a price that will that it's, I think, really the bottom for Link. If we can, if we come back around these prices of 63, then there can be some problems in the charts. Then it can be that we go even lower to the 30, to the 34, or around 30. But the chance of probability at this moment of time, it's very little that that happened. The biggest probability is that this was the bottom for Link, and from here we're gonna push the price up. And that's what we hope, because the Link community deserves this. The Link community, it's a strong, nice community. What also have a lot of frontline soldiers, a group of 100, 200 people, what daily are posting about this coin and doing their best. And beside that, what I noticed, that the team also is working hard behind the scenes. So let's see how this play out for Link, guys. Let's hope for the best, and let's hope for a green candle at the weekly and the daily. I want to show you one thing in the Landwolf chart, guys, because I think Landwolf, it bottomed out. Why I think that? Because Landwolf had a beautiful weekly MRI buy, and you see how strong this indication is. The last time that we had the MRI weekly buy, guys, it was in this moment where we went up 1500%, guys, 1500%. So this one, guys, this chart, it looks super strong to me. It has a higher high in the weekly, so higher high, higher high, sorry, higher low, higher low. And beside that, we have also a higher high for the third time, a higher high. So guys, this movement can be massive for Landwolf at this moment of time. It can result to a price movement of 30 times the price that we can reach around this point, what you see around the 2050. So that's what I wanted to show you guys, because I think Landwolf, it's bottomed out at the weekly, and we can have a strong move up with 20-30% the price. So I wanted to show that to this loyal community, to the family, to the crypto family in this channel. What a lot of people are also in the X account, and together, guys, we're gonna make a great journey. Because I expect a big bull run this year, a big mega cycle in the memes, in the Bitcoin. So let's make the best of it, guys. And I think it's a great moment to end the episode. I hope you like it. Tomorrow we are with a new episode with some special firework. And guys, I wish you all a fantastic, happy, green Monday. And always take care of your portfolio and watch out because the crypto market, it's a jungle, guys. But together we will make the best of it and we will try to grow in the market. Guys, Crypto Milad, hope you like it. If you liked it, send a comment, send some love, and see you all, guys, hopefully tomorrow. Bye bye.